There are a whole bunch of different types of budgeting out there. There's the zero balance budget, which I like because it assigns every dollar a job. I don't like that idea because like knowing what the hell is going on. But the other one that you can do is called the 50-30-20 rule. And the 50-30-20 rule is that 50% goes to your needs. So, like a roof over your head, food in the refrigerator, utilities, stuff like that. And then 30% goes to your wants. Like you want a new shirt, you want to take a yoga class, you want some type of new palette at the store, because I love to do art, so that's what came to mind. And then 20% goes to your debt and to your savings. Now, I personally prefer that the 20 and the 30 get switched, and that's the great thing about a budget. You can do the budget however you want to. So I would rather save more money now so I could retire earlier than just keep on working. So you can manipulate those numbers as much as you want to. There are no budget police. There's no one that's going to come and rip your budget out of your hand and be like, no. Although there should be for me sometimes. Anyways, so that is a 50-30-20 rule. It's a good place to start with your budget, and then you can start making adjustments to it because a budget is flexible. If you start getting yourself into the mindset that a budget is not flexible, then it will not be flexible and you will not do the budget and you'll be like, damn it, that didn't work.